Hello everybody. So here's an update on Bitcoin. So we can see in 1 hour time frame that Bitcoin is following an ascending channel over here, and it's trying to break out from its 60,000 resistance over here. And 60,000 mark is like a strong resistance, but breakout from here will obviously test the old all-time high near 65,000, 64 to 65,000, and then we'll making a new all-time high. So in the shorter time frame, we can see that there was some bullish news in the market, which has pushed the price of Bitcoin in the day from 57,000 to 59,000 mark. So what can we expect? And we had seen, if you look at the dominance chart, let me look at dominance. We had seen that ALTs such as Ethereum, we had seen Ethereum take a big. I'll speak about Ethereum, the bullish head and shoulder pattern. I'll be speaking later on this video. So we had seen actually peak like a breakout of Ethereum from from the bullish head and shoulders pattern. But what caused the ALTs to pump? We had seen a lot of ALTs started to pump and started to recover. I wouldn't say pump, started to recover from the dip from the dominance, increase in Bitcoin dominance. So we had seen the dominance drop from one year 46.5 to near 45, and currently from this $45 we can see that the dominance is trying to break off at this point from 45.70 dollars. So Bitcoin dominance again has been increasing, and if Bitcoin breaks the 60 the $1,000 mark, if Bitcoin breaks $60, we'll see this dominance break over here. So once this dominance breaks, we will see Bitcoin make a new or test the old all time and then make a new all time high. And when this happens, we will see dominance increase, which means your ALTs, which are in BTC pair are going to bleed, and we will see retrace like which you have seen in ALTs recover. We will see again a quite retrace in your ALTs. And if you see for ALT, if you consider Ethereum over here, Ethereum, there's a bullish head and shoulder pattern, and we had broken out from the 33,700 mark, and we have broken from 3,700 mark. Now we are going to test this 4,000 mark, and we can expect Ethereum to be near this zone, 4,000 to 4,400 mark. And what can happen for Ethereum? So in the coming days for Ethereum, like if you see we see a dominance if Bitcoin breaks 60,000. Let's consider first that Bitcoin is going to break $60,000 in the coming days. So what happens to Ethereum? Ethereum will follow Bitcoin up to year, that is 60 when Bitcoin breaks 60,000. But once Bitcoin breaks 60,000 and dominance of Bitcoin increases, Ethereum might take a small retrace. It might come back to this level, $30,800. It might come, it might go up to 3,500, or it can stay at this level. It can even go up to 3,000 4,400. So there will be a point when Bitcoin holds a level. Obviously Bitcoin is going to move in short term. I mean in November with the ETF news, Bitcoin can go up to 78. Let's consider Bitcoin holds the price near this price, starts holding over here 72 to 75, 73,000 mark. Bitcoin starts holding over here. And when that happens, we'll see a rally in Ethereum. When I say a rally in Ethereum, I mean Ethereum is gonna go wild. We might see Ethereum go in a single day, it can go up to 25-30%. It might see near 7,000, it can go up to 10,000. I had said earlier too, if Bitcoin, if we see Bitcoin make a high of near 100, if we see Bitcoin make a height of near 100,000, if Bitcoin goes from here makes a height of 100,000, we will definitely see Ethereum make near 15,000 high. It's for sure. If Bitcoin goes for 100,000 mark, we'll see Ethereum 10,000 mark. We'll see high caps. BNB will peak near $1,000. We'll see Sol going near 300 to $500 range. We'll see L roll testing 600 $700. So this CLT. So for us, Bitcoin short term, we might see a small retrace in your ALTs, but for the overall market, any price movement is Bitcoin is really good for the whole market. First, see Bitcoin dominance movement up to 47 $50. It's a short term move. It might last up to November 15 to November 20. We might see dominance of Bitcoin, but after that, we are expecting first Ethereum to blow. When Ethereum blows, you'll see even coins such as LTC, BCH, then LTC, BCH, Sol. Then you can might see high caps, especially high liquidity coins such as WET. So these all coins are gonna go, like, it's gonna go wild, and you might see the market go crazy, and there'll be a mode called euphoria mode. And most of the investors ask, what's the right time to sell? So when you feel that, okay, there'll be a point when you feel that your own project is overvalued, and that's the point you have to sell. It's short term, like you should not be a moon boy. Like, don't get carried away by moon boys. Self evaluate, do what is it, portfolio management, and then there'll be a point when you understand, okay, now according to the market, it's quite risky to play over here. Remove out the funds and hold, and then you can buy the same LTs in the bear market back, because this is the last phase I said earlier too. We had spoke about this, Bitcoin in this move when it was 29,000, and now Bitcoin is near 60,000. So this might go up to 100, 125, 150,000, and it's how we had said. But like I said in earlier videos, I'm expecting it to be December, maybe at max Q1 of maybe Feb, till Feb, the LT season can go on. But like I said, there will the cycle ends, and when the cycle ends, every coin in the market will take 75 to 80 percentage correction. Bitcoin itself will take 70% correction. If Bitcoin peaks near 100 to 150k, I was expecting the bottom to be near 30,000, and that will be the bottom for Bitcoin, near 30,000 mark. If it goes up to 100, 150k, we'll get a correction to 30,000 mark. And for Ethereum also, it might go up to, if it goes up to 10,000, 15,000, we might see a correction up to 3,000, 2,500 to $3,000 mark, even BNB up to 150, $200 mark. Every coins, even if you see Sol would bottom out. If Sol goes up to $400, $500, you might see Sol bottom out near 80 to $90 mark. So you have to keep that thing in your mind, and then do portfolio management. And that's all for the market. And if you guys needs anything, any info, you guys can ask me in the comments. So thank you guys.